Hello, lovely people. Welcome to Taste the Recipe and more. Yeah. Happy weekend. So, I'm going to show you how I made this creamy and delicious mushroom soup. Right, let's go. So, right here, I have a bunch of black forest mushroom, and then I also have this clamshell mushroom. I have a chicken stock, ginger, garlic, and that's all the ingredients you need for this soup. So I'm just going to wash this black forest mushroom with hot water and salt. And when I'm done washing, I'm going to blend together with the ginger and garlic. I'm going to blend till it's creamy and smooth. So now that I'm done blending all the ingredients together, I'm just going to pour inside the pot and then add my chicken stock. And you can add any stock you prefer to add into your soup. You can add chicken, you can add beef, you can add fish, you can add pork stock, depending on what you like, and then boil for 5 to 10 minutes. And after that, pour the clamshell mushroom and add any other spices I love to add. So you can add any spices depending on your taste. You can add the chili pepper, you can add black pepper, you can add any other spices you like. So this is the end result of my mushroom soup, and this soup is not just delicious, but it's also nutritious and good for winter season. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just press on the notification bell down there, and also if you love this soup and recipe, please comment down below, share with your friends, and also like. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.